Guys, today I'm doing a review of this Nadamu cookie dough fudge. We did a review of the cookies and cream. Actually, it was pretty good. This one is, let me focus there. Come on, camera. So that is 14 grams of sugar. Here's the ingredients. You guys want to read this, pause the video. These are dairy free. As you can see right there. Let's open this up. Oh, so this is actually kind of neat. So if you see here, there's a nice little swirl. Let's break that up. And do a quick taste test. This one has a different texture than the cookies and cream. It's like a fluffier, almost like a marshmallow type of texture. Very unique. Not overly sweet, but definitely check it out, guys. This texture is totally different, so it's actually kind of neat, different. If you have any questions, comments, please go subscribe to the channel.